All right, guys. Happy New Year 2024. That's right, baby. 2024. I'm going to fly my Delta 40 for a bit, and I'm getting my battery charger for my Pirana. And I haven't flown my Pirana in about 3 months. 3 months. This jet, I'm gonna get 5 gallons of jet fuel. I just ordered 2 gallons of jet fuel, so stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna be taking over. Yep. Look, I finally got another Princess Peach doll. Look, I put Princess Peach on it this time. You remember I took Mario up? I found there's another Princess Peach. I just got it last week. Look, she's on my jet now. Looking good, looking good. Oh yeah. See Princess Peach from the Super Mario Brothers movie, the one that came out last year, on April the 5th, 2023. That was an awesome celebration party ever in 2023. And this is the best memory ever in 2023 I ever had. So this is it, man. This is it. This is it. All right here, man. Yep, stay tuned. I'm gonna take Princess Peach up for a ride in my L39 Albatross Black Horse. I like this L39 Albatross. But next time though, I'm not gonna ever get no balsa plywood jet ever again. All fiberglass only because hey, the balsa plywood it's strong, like I told you, but not strong enough. Because if you pull hard, it breaks. Like when you're going real fast, you it can hit it can hit up to 175. It can hit up to 175. But if you pull up hard on highways, it will snap. It'll break the wings off. With fiberglass, with carbon fiber, you can pull hard as you want. That will never break. With all fiberglass with carbon fiber, never fails. And it's better than balsa plywood. So yeah, but anyway, it's my first jet anyway. It's my first jet. I put 5 flights on her. She got 5 flights. Yep. King Tech 70 G4 is good. Trying to take good care of her. So yep. Trying to take good care of her. And then that's about it right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yep. And I love this jet. I love this jet. I put 5 flights on her. 5 flights on my L39 Albatross Black Horse. And the V1200, I still haven't gotten new batteries for her. I haven't flown this V1200 in about almost 3 years now. Almost 3 years. So I got to get all new batteries. 5,000 on 6S with 100 seat charge. Yep. All right, guys. Happy New Year in 2024, baby. P47 and my P51 Mustang. I'm gonna get that going. I'm gonna get that going. Put a DLE 20 in it because it's been sitting up about for 5 years. Yeah, I still got the brand new engine, the DLE 20. But yeah, man. But I don't need that anymore because I'm thinking about getting another P47 with an EME 70 twin with auto start. I'm going to sell that, trade it in for another P47, Wicked Rapid with all electric starts. Yeah, so this is it, man. This is it. Still got my Strike 40 in the box, but I don't need that anymore. I don't need that anymore. Nitro planes don't need them anymore because of the jet. Well, I'm a jet guy now. All right, peace out, baby. There's Princess Peach, baby. Yes, the one of my dreams. My 2024 calendar. Here it is. This is my 4th calendar I made. This is my 4th calendar. See? Look at my TRX Havoc Edition. There you go, see? I did all this. You go to Mimeo Photos app. It's called Mimeo Photos app. All right. I still got my 16IZ right there. 16IZ. So, Happy New Year in 2024, baby. For Tower 32MZ and Flex Innovation Pirana, welcome to the Stafford Center. Welcome home. The dream has come. And the Seagull Racer Delta 40, welcome home. Time to party. See ya. Happy New Year 2024. Time to bring it down. Nice. $20.24, baby. Ooh, that's a good knife edge. Almost hit that light pole. Gotta be real careful. Oh, dang, I almost hit myself. That was sick. I almost hit myself. I gotta be very careful. Going 166 miles per hour, I almost hit myself. Try to do that knife edge. Victory must come. Maserati. Ooh. Oh! White barrel, that was perfect. Totally inspired seats in 7, baby. That's how we gonna get that Ram TRX having addiction, baby. Like that. Oh, just a nose rip right off. That grass is too thick. Oh, we be snapping back in there. Bam. That's it. It's 2024, everybody. Happy New Year. Pirana 3-day with a 32 MC. Here she is, baby. 2021 Seagull Racer Delta 40. Oh yeah. I had to retune the idle. I just retuned the engine on the low speed needle valve. The low speed needle valve on the side on the right carburetor. The low speeder was too lean. The low speed needle was too lean, so I retuned it. Got a little bit more fuel and clogging the carburetor a little bit, so I'm gonna leave it like that. We let the idle run too long, and then causing fuel to clog it up in the carburetor. When you hit full throttle, she'll stall out because too much fuel in it. The more you rich in a low speed needle, you letting more fuel into the carburetor. I did that before. And then when you hit full throttle, she stalls. If you lean it back out, if the engine's not getting enough fuel in the carburetor, the low speed needle's too late. So just gotta be tweaking back and forth to be tuning it right. That's what I did. I've been tuning nitro planes for 24 years, man. Well, guys, my 24-year anniversary is in 4 more weeks away. January 30th. Well, guys, I've been flying over multiple airplanes for 24 years. It's been 24 years. I better not turn too fast. I don't want to turn too much because otherwise he'll flip the plane over like it did last time. See, she wanted good. Just gotta watch out for the curve right there. Don't want to hit it because this plane is very, very fragile. I'm just taxiing a little bit at the Stafford Center. Yeah. Scobee Field is closed and Tombass Park is closed. They never closed on New Year's Day before. What's up with that, guys? Because last year in 2023, I celebrated on New Year's Day last year in 2023. Now it's 2024. The Scobee Field at George Bush Park at Red Timer is closed, and I drove all the way to Tombass Park, and it was closed. That was the first time. Just leave a comment down below. Just leave a comment down below about it. Like if you have any questions about the Scobee Fields being closed on New Year's Day and Tombass Park's being closed on New Year's Day today, just leave a comment down below. It's probably those gay people, they off today. Bunch of stores closed, a lot of stores closed because it's New Year's Day. Well, it is what it is, guys. So I decided to come to the Stafford Center and taxi my Delta 40 for a little bit. It hasn't been starting in 3 months. It's been sitting there for 3 months. I just flew my Pirana. I haven't flown in 3 months anyway. Man, it's a good looking plane, man. Well, man, this Delta 40, it's almost 3 years old. And now, off the top of 32 MZ, our 3rd wedding anniversary is coming up. about a few more days away. So me and my 32 MZ been married for 3 years now, and this 32 MZ is 3 years old. I took good care of her. Motorcycle, motorcycle. Yeah, Delta 40, baby. Oh, it's windy today. It's windy. Subscribe. Got 521 subscribers. Almost there to 1,000 subscribers, baby. Keep subscribing. Happy New Year 2024.